Coming out of Chi-Town. You get that 555 out my ear there, Frank. Really, thunderstick waving. Try to get up in there, man. It's real tough. Everybody rather go weekend. You're 555 on the mail. Yeah, that's 555 out there in California, plugging my ear. That's 555 in California, plugging my ears. Hello out there in DX land, 1820 Illinois. Guess you don't have any conditions, Easy Rider. I don't know how much further you can go west than San Diego, so. But you don't have any conditions out there. Take care. Roger on that, 358.
Waving a hand at your thunder stick, sounding good in Maine. 122, putting that 4-1 to that west side.
Hey, Macho Man, am I speaking Spanish? Have a good weekend, Easy Rider. I'm just trying to beat the Mexicans out of my speaker, don't you see? Go ahead. That's good enough. Let's get with the program. Yeah, no doubt about that. All right, Macho Man. Sounding good around my little corner of the Rockies. 393 waving, and I'll see you. When you have the conditions are kind of going back and forth. You rather have a good day. All right, 358. Hey, good morning, Rich. Still got a copy, 358. Appreciate you coming down. Ratchet-27, Northern California. Ratchet-27. 1313 Chi-Town. How about a skip land? How about that skip land? You got a copy of this 163 on that line? 301, I heard you that time. Hey, 301, I definitely heard you that time. It's rough and tough out here in Northern Cal. Hey, 301, Ratchet-27, Northern Cal.
If I got any Mother Nature. 308 Illinois, reading this now.
308 Illinois, you got conditions into the northeast. 122 state of Maine waving.
Mr. 123, man. Not a whole lot of history on my neighborhood. Mr. 122. 308 Illinois with that big old wave.
Roger that, 308. I heard you bumping it down. I wanted to spike it down real quick and wave the hand while we got some Mother Nature rolling that way, no doubt. Sounding good, 308, no doubt. 122 waving, and hey, we can get back out of the road. Definitely busy out there, no doubt.
Mr. 122, take care of me. Hey, Mr. 122, take care, my friend. 08 Illinois, I'll see you right there. Bye.
And I got it all, 308, and the gate is rolling, no doubt. You take care. 122, we're back out. Bye-bye.
Make some noise.